Alright guys, so welcome to today's video, and in today's video we will continue our work on our JoJo game right here, and I have planned to finish this camera sequence along with the creation of one time stop animation, and then we're going to move on with scripting the actual time stop, guys, and we are probably going to do that in the next episode. So, yeah, first of all, let's go back inside of the stand controller script, and yeah, let's do the following. So, add another wait at this point, so wait. So after this tween 3 has finished, we want to create another tween, and this time's tween is going to tween the camera back to normal. So camera type. I think it was fixed. Yeah, exactly. And C frame was like the character's head's C frame or something like that. Okay, that's the first thing. Right, now to our GUIs right here. So we have to move them up as well, of course. So check their current position. So the bottom one is at 1. And the up one is at minus 0.2, okay? So we just want to copy that, and then we are going to hit play to see how it looks like currently. Okay. Tween service property name camera type cannot be tween due to the mismatch property is a in, but even type is a string. Okay, then we'll do it this way. So we're just gonna leave this out. So we're going to leave that out, and then we are just going to write it inside of here instead. So camera type fixed. So this should do. Okay. Okay. Wait. I'm actually not sure about the C-frame at this point. Could be that the C-frame is totally wrong. So that could be the case. But let's see. So all of a sudden, wait. So the camera type is custom by default. Is that possible? It is not fixed, it is custom by default. Yeah, it is actually custom. Okay, yeah, pretty funny at that point. So custom. Let's see what happens now. So I wanted to have some pretty cool transitions, but Roblox is just, yeah, making things too difficult. So let's keep the tween. Let's see how this works out. Come on, why is it taking so long to just load this testing session? Come on. Come on. Okay. Okay. So let's do it this way. Let's see what happens when we do it like that. Wait, we could instead just do it like this. So we could take our first camera's parts, C-frame, and we could add some additional C-frames onto it, just to make the camera go a little bit more to the back. I'm sorry, guys. So that we actually have the illusion of the camera zooming onto our character back again, and everything is done. So let's see how this is working out. Yes, so the major problem I see is that we actually should wait till we reset camera type to custom, and then we should be good to go. Okay. So this is totally fine. Now, the next thing which we are going to do is that we are going to fire server this remote event. So remote fire server. Wait, we probably haven't even defined. Yeah, okay, so we did not define it. Doesn't matter, we can just take it. So we can just take this reference and then fire server hire time stop. Now, let's go inside of stand controller script and let's add another if statement, and this if statement is called fire time stop, and this is going to be our actual time stop code. So this one right here, it is going to play the animation, it is going to do everything regarding the time stop. Okay, and the first thing which we are just going to do is that we are going to create a time stop animation, and we're going to make this stand right here, play that animation, and then we're going to end the video, hopefully. Okay, yeah, pretty cool. My studio just freezed. Guys. It freezed for no reason. Guys. You know what? I'm gonna end the video at that point. So we're going to do everything regarding the time stop later, okay? So thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, share this video with all of your friends. Leave me feedback in the comment section, guys. Take care and see you in the next episode.